So today I'm going to be showing you how I get super defined curls that last me about a week. I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair, so there's no product in my hair. I'm just going to section my hair in half. So I've already detangled my hair with the conditioner in it. So it's pretty detangled right now. First I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner. Back before, put my leave-in conditioner, every product I used before the gel, I would take like a small section or even smaller and put the leave-in conditioner in my hair. No wonder everything was flaking. I'm gonna just put the leave-in conditioner in and comb it through my hair. Let me take these out because I can't. After that, next I'm going to use the As I Am Moisture Milk. I love this. I just love As I Am. I love all As I Am products. Do the same thing and comb it through. And just make sure it's all up in there. So now I'm going to do the same to the second half. And comb through and detangle at the same time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the other side. Okay, so everything is in and my hair is coated, but you can still see like it's coated, but it's still frizzy. So I'm gonna part my hair how I keep it. It doesn't need to be perfect. I just, you know, whip it to the side. This is where you do want smaller sections. This is the most important part. Start with this. I'm gonna use my favorite gel right now. Spray it a little bit. I don't want it drenched because, again, my hair, for some reason, when it's drenched or I just get out of the shower, I don't know what's going on, but it's like my hair does not hold product. So it's damp. So I'm going to take the gel, oh Lord, about that much to start and see roots down and really smooth. You gotta smooth. Okay. Before I would just slap it in like this. I'd just be like, okay, done. No. I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm going to smooth down my roots like that. And then this part for my hair type is so important for defined frizz-free curls. If I don't do this, it's just not happening. I think it's called the shingling method. If I need to grab more gel, I will, because this so far doesn't flake for me, especially when I use less other things. I'm not gonna finger coil or anything. I'm literally just gonna separate them and make sure each strand is coated. You'll have to smooth that down. When I split my hair up like that, okay, hold on. You know what, I'm gonna show you on another section because this one's just small. Let's go into the next one. And when you're parting the sections, don't grab a chunk like this, straight down like that, so that when you put the gel, you can smooth each layer down properly. And I know this is a lot of work, but I'm telling you, my hair lasts until my next wash day. It cuts down time during the week. This section is so damaged. But anyways, we're not going to think about that. So I'm going to do the same thing. Smooth the layer down. Go through each strand again. Okay, so I just want to show you what I do for the roots because you can see here that my roots are frizzy. When I get to the top, I section it like I normally do. So I have this and I leave like a little bit of the top, only a little bit, not too much. I'm going to smooth down the section before. See, like, okay, this is the perfect example right here. So something like this, I'm going to take it and smooth it into a curl. So everything has a place to go. Some gel, so I'm gonna put it like I'm doing like a slick bun, but I'm not. I'm gonna go do the same thing to the other side, and I will be right back. I'm just about done. So, hold on, let me clean my dirty hands, and let me throw my earrings back in. Okay, so you can see my curls. They're very defined and separated. Ignore the heat damage. You'll see it when it dries. I'm going to diffuse my hair. To be so scared of diffusing my hair because I thought that it would give me heat damage, but then I decided to straighten my hair and actually ended up with heat damage. First, I'm just gonna go over it, hover around it, because I'm not trying to touch these curls right now while they're still wet. I don't know why I'm standing up like that. Okay, so after blow drying your hair for a little bit until there's like a gel cast on it, you can start actually diffusing and getting up to the roots. When I do this and I have that gel cast, my hair is less likely to frizz and move them and not make them too frizzy. So I'm gonna finish. Okay, so my hair is pretty much dry. The roots are still a little bit damp, but that's okay. You can see here, my curls are still very defined. And I do have a little bit of frizz at the top, but it's not like it was before. I don't pick out my hair or anything because my hair will be huge by day 3. And I don't want it any bigger. It's a process dealing with curly natural hair. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I do. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.